Paramahansa Yogananda, Raising Consciousness in 3 minutes. Paramahansa Yogananda was a spiritual guru whose teachings have inspired millions. Today, we will delve into his insights on raising consciousness. Join us on this enlightening journey. Yogananda emphasized meditation and Kriya Yoga as powerful tools for awakening. By calming the mind and focusing on the breath, these practices lead to higher states of awareness and inner peace. Living with purpose and service. Yogananda taught that living with purpose and serving others raises our consciousness. Engaging in selfless actions aligns us with our highest selves, creating harmony and fulfillment. Understanding the unity of all religions. Yogananda believed in the unity of all spiritual paths. He saw all religions as different expressions of the same truth, encouraging respect and understanding across spiritual traditions, emphasizing love and compassion. Love and compassion were central to Yogananda's teachings. Embracing these qualities fosters empathy, connection, and the realization of our shared humanity. Paramahansa Yogananda's timeless wisdom continues to guide and inspire. By practicing these principles, we can elevate our consciousness and live more harmoniously. For more enlightening content, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.